Okay, we'll make one now without a flat bottom, just a continuous curved bowl. So we're going to use the spline tool for this one up here in the middle of the top row. Spline tool, spline, yes. So we'll start at the center and we'll have one knot there, another one here, continue on a bit, gradually curving round using your artistic flair. Maybe that's okay. No, I don't like it. It's got a dent here. Go back. So it's probably best that your first knot is above the horizontal line, because the way beziers and splines work is that they pivot about the knots. So we'll put the first one here and another one. You see what I mean? See what I mean? If you look backwards, you see it flexing at the knot in different directions. So I don't suppose you want that for this bowl, or that. So we've got to have some sort of compromise. So we'll go there. And around a bit further. Escape. And we're now going to choose the offset tool, offset curve there, and select our line, and we can move it to a thickness, so we can type the thickness in, 1.5 perhaps, return, and then we need to close off the ends with a straight line there. Now we see here we're not quite straight, but it doesn't really matter because it's still going to be our axis. No, I don't think we'll do that. We'll put that in, vertical line. Then we've got to trim this. Now Bezier curves need to be trimmed. Split, click on the curve to split, then click on the curve or point to split it with. Right, so we're going to click that one and then that one. That's it. Okay, so it's this corner one. We need to create a corner. So now all we need to do is the P for the pull tool, select the surface, rotate, select an axis to rotate about, which is this end one, and the full pull tool. There's your bowl without a flat bottom. You'll notice, of course, as well, with using the Bezier, you don't get any line around the bottom like you do with the other one. It's totally smooth. That might be important for you. I'll just rename it